Hello guys, here's Andrew talking to you. Today we'll be talking about how can you draw an arm, a simple arm with one, two, three, four, five, five shapes. Okay, it's two circles, two rectangles, and kind of shape like a rectangle. Made it like here. It's a triangle. Sorry. So we must notice the first thing is the deltoid here. Here's where the arm connects with the chest. Okay. This part got three muscles. Three right here, here, and here. Biceps. Four. Understand carefully that this part is equal to this part. So if you bend your arm, you're gonna notice this. So remember to make it, draw it like this. Here. Close one better. So let's try and shade this one. We're going to turn this arm kind of to the upside down. Notice the deltoid here is three parts. Here. Notice this. Here. Biceps. Tri muscles. Recently been making videos how can you draw a palm hand. Palm hand you must draw it like this part. far more easier than the one that I've been drawing before. Makes this job done and make it look good. So we're drawing it again. Drawing it from back. Of course, from the back we can't get any of the details here of the biceps. Look here, there's our tiger mask. Tiger mask here. Look here at the arm. Got 3 muscles, as you can see here. 3 main muscles. And here's the biceps, triceps, and the arm muscles. So, if you're going to draw him, better draw from an action figure. Buy a detailed one with muscles and such details to help you draw as a reference. It helps you more than you can understand or remember the drawing of the muscles. Sometimes your mind doesn't help you or get twisted to figure a pose or such thing. So we got triceps, elbow, arm, of course, drawing the front, up, back, and we can draw from the lower arm. So we can, let's check here and draw it like this. Remember, there is 3 main muscles. I'm drawing it like this so you can notice that there is a mass right here. Okay, so here's just 4 cameras for the arm, how you can draw a simple arm for beginners. As you are always a beginner, if you are a beginner only, you should remember that drawing and you don't got the money or you can buy an action figure, you must understand that this is circle, rectangle, smaller circle, rectangle, smaller circle, and there's the palm. Let's draw it like this. Bigger circle, as we say, this is rectangle, right here, smaller circle, another rectangle, and smaller circle, than this one, and here is the palm of the hand. I already said many things here. Same one right here is like this one. Many thanks guys for watching. Hope you enjoy drawing the arm, and if you got any questions, just mail it to me or send it to the links in the description. I'm looking forward to hear from you, and if you want to make a collaboration or something like that with me, or you can contact me.